Good morning, Wonderpost fans, and greetings from the Wonderpost allotment here in Haskerton. Beautiful sunny day. Roger and I have decided we fancy some runner beans to eat with our tea later on this year. So I'm going to show you how to plant runner beans in our allotment as usual. We're going to do 2 plants in the Wonderpost section of the allotment that's been treated with our fabulous soil improver. By the way, we've just given you another 7.5% discount for the products at the moment, so go on the website and claim that wonderful discount. I'm going to do the other half, these 2, in the part of the allotment that's not treated with Wonderpost. So you can see I've created a wigwam with 4 canes. I've used some of Roger's baler twine. That is really tight, Roger, that's going nowhere. You could swing off that and that won't fall down, okay? I prefer it if you didn't though. So, there's my wigwam. I've got 4 runner bean plants. I think it's just about safe to put them out there. I'm hoping most of the frosts have gone now. These are a little bit dry, so I'm just going to plonk them in this watering can, soak them in there and wait till all the bubbles have stopped, which means that the pot has taken up all the water it can. So very simply like that. Don't know if you can hear that bubbling there, Roger.
I can.
Well done. Good. Capture those bubbles in the sound, will you? Okay, so there we go. I'll just do 2 at the moment. A little bit of Wonderpost. Here we go. Look at that. Isn't that just... Can you get in a bit closer, Roger, with that? That is just fantastic stuff. I think you've done a good job this year on creating a load of Wonderpost.
Looking good, isn't it?
It is. So there we go. A little bit of Wonderpost. Mix it in the planting hole there. We've got quite heavy soil here at the allotment, so you know, putting Wonderpost in really makes it a bit more workable. Good way of getting the plant out of the pot is put your fingers across over the top like that, tap the pot, there you go. Look, you can see the roots coming on there. These are quite young plants, I hope they're going to survive. And then just firm that back in, like that. Okay, I'm going to put a little bit of Wonderpost around the top as a mulch to help retain some moisture. And we're now going to water that plant in. What we're going to have to do is, if it looks like there's going to be a frost, Roger, you're going to have to nip out here and protect these plants with a bit of horticultural fleece. Can you do that for me?
I sure can.
Well done. Okay. There you go, folks. That's the runner beans planted. We're going to obviously train these up the canes. So these 2 on this side been treated with Wonderpost soil improver. These 2 untreated. See you in a minute, because I'm going to do another video about beetroot and potatoes.